Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Savita and today I will share about how to use energy circles. In short form, it is called as ECs. Now these are few energy circles. This is for prosperity, this is for sleep and those who do not get proper sleep at night, and this is for especially for students, for their studies, for memory, for concentration. And there are certain codes and switch words written in this circle. Now how do we make it for ourselves? I'll show this one for money. Okay, for this you need just take a plain paper and draw a circle on it. Okay, you do not have to be any artist for this. We need to draw just a complete circle without any cut or broken line. Okay, if you cannot draw a circle with your hand, you can just take any bowl or a small dish if you have, keep it and draw a circle from that. Okay, and then you will write your name. I'm writing my name in this. Okay, and then I will write this switch word: divine bonus, divine count. Inside this circle we will write. Okay, I'm using a green pen and there are certain codes which I will write. This is 897 for urgent money, and next one is for money to flow to us, which is 1122 space 5701. Next is for unexpected money, which is 520. Okay, and the last one is for prosperity, wealth and abundance, which is 536389589. So this is a personalized energy circle for myself. You can make it for yourself like this. You can take a printout, colored one, or simply you can just take a paper and draw it with your hand. You can use a blue pen also to draw. Okay, you can. Now how do we use this? You can keep it in your pocket, your wallet, at your office desk, stick it on the wall, hang it as a wall hanging. Okay, just do not fold it, right? And another way is to use for charging it with water. You can keep this EC and on that you can keep your bottle of water or glass of water for 30 seconds or more, and then drink that water, charged water. Okay, another one is you can keep your fingers, that is left hand 3 fingers, in the center of the energy circle for 30 seconds or a minute, and you will get the energy of this circle. Okay, now if you do not want to carry this circle along with you, what you can do is click a picture from your mobile of this energy circle. Okay, and then on the screen you will keep your 3 fingers on this circle for 30 seconds and you will get the energy of this circle, right? If you have any doubt about it, do write in the comment section and do try these. Thank you and God bless you all.